congratulations. Natuwa kaming lahat. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome po.
And gusto ko pong itanong na, is it the first time that you're handling talents?
You know what, before, just a big story. My first talent talaga is pag nawala yung feedback. My first talent ko talaga is si John Buelas. If you remember, John Buelas from He's Into Her, yung kumanta ng theme song ng He's Into Her. Siya talaga yung una kong talent. But he's from the UK. So he went back to the UK. And then my second talent is Oliver. Siya po talaga yung second talent ko. Tapos after a while, doon ko palang bigyan. So hindi po actually parang first time. Pero yung experience ko po kasi managing talents just came about because lumapit po kasi sa akin at gusto magpatulong to get into the industry. At dahil nga po, nasa industry ako ng pagdidirect ng concerts, ng TV, at ng iba pang videos and all. Naisip nila na parang ako yung mag-handle sa kanila. So, doon po nagsimula yun.
Congratulations, magagaling po yung mga talents nyo.
Maraming salamat.
Pwede po matanong na, kahit brief lang, yung paano po sila napili? Kasi ang gagaling na po nila.
Okay. Si Oliver po, nakilala ko siya kasi consultant director po ako ng Pie Channel. If you remember the Pie Channel of ABS-CBN, I was the consultant director and he was part of a talent competition ng Pie Channel. Tapos, pinakilala po sa akin doon. Tapos, pinahanap ko talaga siya. Sabi ko, sino yun? Sino yung mga grab driver doon na parang pwede yun. Sabi ko, pwede yung magaling din siyang kumanta. So, pinahanap ko po siya talaga. Tapos, nung nahanap ko po siya, gines ko lang po siya sa show ko. I also do streaming for FYE channel of ABS. So, at Homeo Sessions, gines ko po siya doon. And after nun, sabi ko, sige, let's try. Baka pwedeng mag-work. So yun, so that's Oliver. After Oliver is Kier. So si Kier, when Oliver had to go, when Oliver had to find himself, umalis muna siya, si Kier came into the picture. Si Kier naman, nag-message lang siya sa akin. Sabi niya, direct, gusto kong mahanap yung purpose ko. Ang tagal ko na pong songwriter, pero hindi po ako nabibigyan ng opportunity. May kanta na po ako sa Spotify, pero parang kulang pa. Plus, ito yung sobrang naging interesado ako. Ayaw ko lang din pong maging singer o composer. Gusto ko rin pong maging parte ng production. Gusto ko rin pong magsulat. Gusto ko rin pong mag-produce ng videos. So, naging interesado ako. Siyempre, kasi ako kailangan ko ng tao kasi I also own FLM Creatives in Production. So, we produce TV shows, pageants, yan. So, sabi ko, oo nga, pwede. So, doon po nagsimula yun. And the rest is from social media. Lay is a very young social media influencer from TikTok, and Bigo, na nakita ko na at a young age, at 19 years old, he's 19 years old, he's the breadwinner of his family. And he's able to provide for his family with just streaming. And at the same time, when I talk to him, direct, I also want to be in production. Ngayon, EA ko siya. So he does all my schedules. Alam na kung nasaan ako. Plus the fact na yun, kumakanta rin siya. Yan. Si Sean is very famous on TikTok. I see him online. Tapos nakikita ko siya, parang sabi ko, grabe! Alam niyo ba, itong si Sean streams almost every day for 12 hours. For 12 hours. And he's doing that because he wants to provide for his family. At alam niyo po ba, na dahil because of his streaming, he was able to send his family from Negros to Manila. Dahil sa streaming at dahil sa talent niya. So, it was just fitting na sabi ko, I think he needed this push. He needed this push para mas mapalawak pa yung talent niya at makatulong pa siya sa iba. Si Kirby is a very, very talented person. from the corporate world. He's from the corporate world. He handles a lot of influencers. He's a marketing corporate person. And I think it was a perfect mix for us here in the group. With his talent, with his charm. Diba? With his charm. Na to be part of the group. Kaya, yan. Di ba tama?
Wow! Okay. Ang next na magtatanong, syempre, ang entertainment editor ng Manila Bulletin, Mr. Baguio Intina.
Hello, Direk, magandang gabi po. And congratulations sa bagong achievement ninyo. Late last year, I attended your press con when you launched your single, ano? And now, ito na, you're expanding your horizon talaga when it comes to sa show business, ano? So, tama ba yung pagkaintindi ko, bukod sa solo, group, so dual responsibility ang gagawin ninyo as a group and then individual performers.
That's correct, that's correct. We want kasi parang pag kunyari we get invited to shows, you want a total package. Parang get us as a group, get us as individuals also.
Pero ang dami na pong boy group sa Philippines, ano? So, anong kakaiba sa Formula 5?
I think ang pagkakaiba sa Formula 5 with other boy groups is, I think you've heard the sound. The difference of the sound when we're together. You know what? It's the chemistry of our voices. Hindi namin talaga to sobrang inaral na inaral. It was really the perfect mix. Na parang pag nagre-rehearse kami, alam namin yung placements namin. Kaya sabi ko, perfect combination talaga itong nakuha ko talaga eh. Kaya sobrang tuwa na ako.
Okay, kung may boy group, hindi ba nalalayo na mag-organize din kayo ng, o mag-form din ng group ng mga babae naman ang paglaban sa mga...
Hindi po malayo. Hindi po malayo yung mangyari. So I'm actually looking into it. I'm also looking into it. Siyempre, in time, yan. For now, kasi madaling i-handle ang boys. Kasi parang pare-parehas kami. Tapos siyempre, that's also the reason why I wanted to handle singers. Because I myself am a singer. So alam ko yung feeling nung dreaming of how to make it. And at the same time, when you rehearse, alam mo namin kung paano namin atakihin ang bawat isa. Tsaka isang suntok lang sa kanila, alam na nila.
Okay, after the last question, after this, saan ang next major gig ng grupo?
Oh, that's a very good question. In the next week, we will be flying to Taiwan. We'll be we will be flying to Taiwan for our first international show.
Ang bilis.
So, ang bilis. Kaya sobrang nakakatawa ko eh. In Taiwan, we'll be performing our first concert in Taiwan, in Taichung. And then after that, we will also be one of the guests for, of course, AG's Alexa Ulan. That's on February 1 and 2 sa New Frontier Theater.
Okay, congratulations guys.
Maraming salamat.